Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this simple Flask app within minutes. As you can see, this app is hosted on the local server, which is 127.0.0.1 in the port 5000. I have included page, home and a custom message. You can change the message over here in the Python code and run it, and a timestamp of the message shown. You can easily change the port in the code to whichever port you like. When I refresh the page, you can see the numbers changing. It is due to the timestamp acquisition from the code. It's a simple project, and the output of this project is a JSON code which you can manipulate in your project. Right now, let me change the message. You can change the port over here under app.run. You can change the port. The only thing is that you need to allow the port in 4000, 5000 or 2000 in the variable. Then you need to import the JSON and time to the variable. And I will save the code. If I run the code, as you can see, it would say running the code on the local server, and now the port has been changed and also the message has been changed. So without further ado, let's get started. This video is sponsored by Thomson Electronics. They are the best dealers in commercial supplies of electronic components in India, with high quality products and a wide variety of category to choose from. This is the Python code. In the first two lines, I have included the modules. First one is the Flask module. From Flask, I import the Flask module. After that, we need a JSON output and a timestamp. For that, I have imported JSON and time. JSON will be the output of the web server which we are going to make along with the timestamp. Then we initialize the app equal to Flask name, which is the initialization, and we root the app with the methods of get. Then we define the home page of the app by declaring define home page. After that, we need a data. For that, we initialize dataset. Right now it's the format of JSON. Then I set page, home and a message. Here you can change your message accordingly. Hello, this is a simple Flask app. You can change it. Then I set the timestamp from the time module. And the module provides various functions to manipulate time values, and it gives time accordingly, and we set the timestamp along with that time.initial time. Then we get it and collect it to the dataset. After that, we need to set it to a JSON dump. So we initialize JSON dump, and JSON.dump from the dataset, it will get the values. After that, we return the JSON dump value. For that, we will set if name equal to main of the app. Then we will run the app.run in the port 5000. You can change to any other ports you like. Right now I am going with 5000. Then we run the code. As you can see, it shows running the HTTP request, and we will get an HTTP code which is 127.0.1 and the port is 5000. If we follow the link, you can see our Python app in our local host. You can easily go to Heroku or other web hosting services to forward this. Right now, as you can see, this is in 5000 port along with page, home, message and the message which we have done. This is hello, this is a simple Python app, and also the timestamp. If we refresh the page, the timestamp will change. As you can see, the timestamp changes accordingly when we refresh the page. This is how you can make the simple Python Flask app. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.